the chess pieces. Welcome to Harold's Curious Mind! Guys, this is the first one that you have to do. You have to move this pawn in 3 spots. Grandpa did the same thing as well. Now for the knight, it doesn't now move. Bishop moves right here. Knight goes here. Pawn goes right here. Now for the castling. Castling is changing the position of the rook and king so you can protect the king. Pawn goes like this. It's like the first part, like this pawn. Now for all the it's my grandpa's turn. Grandpa, it's your turn. Now for this is how I move the pawn. 2 pawns move like this. Now I can eat his knight. It's gotta be right here. Alright. The knight is going to be eaten by the pawn, so I'll move it right here so I can eat the pawn. I can now eat his pawn. There. Uh-oh, not again. I gotta move back right here. I gotta open my queen. But my bishop will be here so I can eat the pawn. It moves right there, but if I move right there, you can either eat my bishop with your pawn or bishop. That means I cannot eat your pawn. I gotta move the queen right there so I can be able to eat the knight using right there. If I go like this, it's just like a bishop. It does like this. Oh no, you don't. Oh no, that's a bad move. So I gotta keep it right there. We're done. Oh, I can eat the knight. So this is better already. I ate 2 knights. Oh no, I gotta move it right there for protection. Because I can either eat your rook. Okay, I gotta think there. So I can eat the pawn. I can literally promote the pawn into a queen. There! I did it. Oh, again? Oh no, you don't. That's better. Now for the pawn. The pawn is going to eat the queen. Yep, this one. So I can eat your queen! Yes, I did it! I ate the queen! Now he doesn't have any queen. He has to promote the pawn into a queen. Okay, Grandpa. Okay, I can either move my knight right. No, not right there. I can't move my knight. But I can move the rook right there so I can eat your bishop. So I can move this bishop so I can eat. I will move my rook so I can eat Grandpa's bishop. Uh-oh, magnetic, right? But it worked now. I just have to move the knight. But now, I gotta move this bishop so I can eat the rook. But there's protection because of the other rook. I can either eat it. Okay, I'll eat it now. Okay, there's his protection. I'm going to promote it into a queen. No. guy right there, the queen, so I can get revenge on the rook. Now I gotta move the queen in right there, so I can. I can either use your pawn or bishop. Not again. This are checkmate. It's checkmate already. I can grandpa hand. I already checkmate my grandpa because his king cannot move here or over here because it can't